Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can take sign-up information in Wix. So let's get started. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a registration form to your Wix website. If you don't have a sign-up page available in your page menu, I'll guide you on how to add it. As you can see, I don't have the sign-up or login forms here either. If I go to the Pages menu and click on Sign Up and Login, it doesn't pop up as it did on the other site. To create this, click on the Sign Up form. If the section doesn't appear, click the Settings gear. From there, choose the default form option and change it to Custom Form. After that, click Add to Site. Wait a moment for the form to load, and now you'll have a customizable sign-up form. Once you're done, exit the settings, go to your home menu, and click on the Custom Sign-up form. You can now begin designing it as a separate page on your site. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can make tags for search in Wix, so let's get started. To add tags in Wix, open your Wix dashboard and go to the editor. Now select the content you want to make searchable. This can be a blog post, a product, or any item from your content manager. If you're working with a blog post, open the post settings and you'll see a tags option. Just type the keywords you want, like travel, tutorial, or anything related to your post. If you're adding tags to a product, open the product settings and scroll down to the tags section, then add your keywords there. These tags help your content appear when visitors use the search bar on your site. Once you're done, publish your site and test the search to make sure your tagged content appears. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use Wix to build and customize your website. Let's get started. To begin, sign up or log in to your Wix account and head to the Wix dashboard. From here, click Edit Site to open the website editor. Wix offers a variety of templates to choose from, or you can use Wix ADI Artificial Design Intelligence to have a site created automatically. In the editor, you'll see key sections like Pages for adding new pages, add elements to insert text, images, buttons, and forms, and Site Design for customizing layout, fonts, and colors. Wix uses a simple drag-and-drop interface, so you can easily place and customize content as you go. If you're creating an online store, you can go to the Store section to add products, set up payment methods, and manage inventory. Wix also has an app market where you can integrate various tools for SEO, marketing, and social media. For further customization, Wix gives you options like animations, grid lines, and mobile optimization to ensure your site looks great on any device. Once you're satisfied with your design, simply preview your site and hit Publish to make it live. Lastly, Wix provides built-in SEO tools to help your site rank higher in search engines, along with options for email marketing and social media integration to grow your audience. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribing. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can do SEO on a Wix website. So let's get started. When it comes to SEO, it's especially important for pages that showcase your offerings and need to be visible on Google. For example, your About page isn't as crucial for SEO because we don't necessarily want it ranking on Google, but for every other page, it's essential to make sure it looks great on search engines. Let's take a look at the SEO settings for the About page. In the SEO Basics section, you'll see the title tag and meta description. For the title, you could enter something which will be displayed in search results. Next, you'll need to create a URL for the page. Now, for the meta description, you want to write a concise summary of what the page is about. For example, I help people build their own websites from scratch with YouTube tutorials, comparing the most popular website builders. This description will appear in search results under your page title. Once you've set the title, description, and URL, click on the Social Share tab. Here, you can customize how the page will appear when shared on social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, or WhatsApp. A small preview image will be shown along with the title and description. A cool tip is to take a screenshot of your homepage and upload it as the preview image, but for now, I'll use the team picture that I've used before. Now that everything is set up, we can jump to the About Us page and make it our own. Simply update the text and the paragraph as needed to personalize the page content. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribing. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a Wix banner with a simple and easy guide. So let's get started. To create a clean and professional banner in Wix, first open your Wix website editor. This is where you control your entire website design. Once you're inside the editor, go to the header section of your site. This is the area where your banner will be placed. Take a moment to adjust the header size and alignment so it fits your design perfectly. Next, click the plus icon on the left side of the editor. This will open all the elements you can add. Select Image. Now you can either upload your own banner image or choose one from Wix's built-in free image library. If you already have a banner picture, simply upload it. If not, feel free to pick one from the available free options. After adding the image, resize and reposition it until it fits smoothly inside your header area. Adjust the width, height, and placement so the banner looks clean, sharp, and matches the rest of your site's theme. Spend a moment fine-tuning it to get that perfect professional look. Once everything looks right, your banner is ready, a simple and effective design that instantly improves your website's appearance. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can easily integrate Amazon products into your Wix website. Let's get started. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard and click on Edit Site to open the Wix website editor. Once you're in the editor, the next step is to find the Amazon product you want to add. After finding the product, simply copy the product's link by pressing Ctrl+C. Now, open a website called iframegenerator.com and paste the Amazon product link in the provided space. After you click Generate, the site will create a code that you can use to embed the product on your website. Once the code is ready, copy it. Next, go back to the Wix website editor and click on Add to insert a new element. Scroll down and select the Embed Code option, then click on HTML code and paste the code you copied earlier. Hit Update and wait for it to load. You can adjust the size of the embedded box to make sure it fits well on your page. Once that's done, you'll have the Amazon product integrated right onto your Wix site. Finally, to check if everything works, preview your site and click on the embedded product. It should redirect you to the Amazon product page, and as expected, it will work just like that. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribing. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Wix to create a website. So let's get started. To begin, go to wix.com, sign up, or log into your account. Once you're in, Wix will ask you what kind of website you want to create, whether it's for a business, portfolio, blog, or e-commerce. You can either choose a template or let Wix add artificial design intelligence create a custom website for you based on a few simple questions. If you prefer more control over the design, select the Wix editor, which offers a drag-and-drop interface to customize your site fully. Once you're in the editor, you can customize your chosen template by clicking on elements like text, images, buttons, and videos. You can change the fonts, colors, and layouts to fit your brand or personal style. Wix allows you to adjust the mobile version of your website separately, ensuring it looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Next, head to the Pages section to add pages like Home, About, Services, or Contact. You can easily add new pages, and they'll automatically be added to your navigation menu. Wix also lets you add features and apps from the app market to enhance your site, such as booking systems, live chat, or social media integration. For SEO, make sure to fill in the meta title and meta description for each page. Wix has an SEO tool that helps you optimize your site for search engines, which is crucial for better visibility. Additionally, you can set up a custom domain for a more professional look, but this requires a premium plan. When you're happy with your website, hit Preview to check it out. If everything looks good, click Publish, and your site will be live for the world to see. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribing. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add a checkout page to your Wix website. Let's get started. To begin, go to the Wix dashboard and scroll down to the Apps section, then click on Manage Apps. Make sure you have Wix stores installed on your site. Once that's confirmed, go to the left panel and select Settings. Scroll down until you find Business Solutions and click on Checkout. Here, you can customize your checkout page. To add a checkout form, click Edit. Wix has preset options for the form, but you can easily add or modify fields. For example, if you want to add a company name, Simply drag and drop it into the form. You can also add other fields like a date picker by selecting it from the options. Once you're satisfied with your changes, hit save, and then click preview to see what it will look like for your visitors. You can also customize the checkout header by adding a logo and typing in your business name. Additionally, you can include policies such as terms and conditions, privacy policy, or return policies, depending on your needs. If you wish, you can also set up the option to generate invoices every time an order is completed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribing. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert meta keywords in your Wix website. So let's get started. To begin, open your Wix editor on your laptop and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wix website editor. Next, click on the Pages and Menu button, which is the third button from the top left. Here, you'll see all your site pages and menus. Choose the page where you want to add your meta keywords. After selecting your page, click on the three-dot icon next to it, and then select SEO Basics. Scroll down to find the meta description section. This is where you'll add your meta keywords. In this section, simply enter your meta keywords. You can also edit the title tag, which is the title that appears in search results. Additionally, you can update the URL slug, which is the last part of the link for the page. Once you've entered your meta description, click on Publish and save at the top of the page. You've now successfully added meta keywords to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add and FAQ frequently asked questions section on Wix. So let's get started. To begin, open your Wix website editor and scroll down to the section where you'd like to add your FAQs. On the left side, click on Add Apps, which will open the Wix App Market. In the search bar, type Wix FAQ and press Enter. Select the Wix FAQ app and then click on Add to Site. This will bring up a template for your FAQs. Once the template is added, click on Manage FAQs, which will take you to a dashboard where you can manage the questions and answers on your site. You can also sort them by category. If you want to add a new question, answer, or category, click Add New in the top right corner. To edit an existing category, hover over the category name and click on the three dots next to it. You'll have the option to add a question, rename the category, or delete it. To edit a specific question, click the three dots next to the question, where you can choose to duplicate or delete it. Then, click the pencil icon to edit the question and answer. Simply enter your new question and answer in the fields provided and select the appropriate category on the right. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save. You can also click on Settings to customize the layout, display, and design of your FAQ section. Follow the prompts in each tab to adjust everything to your preference. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add a members area in Wix Studio. So let's get started. First, open Wix Studio and log into your account. Once you reach the dashboard, this is where you control everything for your website. On the left side, click the plus icon, which opens all the elements you can add. Scroll down until you find the Community section. Inside this section, select Members List. This feature is important because it allows you to manage the users on your site and gives them a dedicated space to log in. Now click Add to Site. Wix Studio will begin setting up the members area, and this may take a few moments. Once it's done, your website will now have a built-in members area where visitors can sign up, log in, and access exclusive content. You can now customize the members area however you like, add private pages, share updates, or offer special content to keep your community engaged. The setup is simple, but the real impact comes from how well you use this space to build a strong connection with your audience. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.